Now that we've made a map, we can also turn this into a presentation tool, and that's not something, if you've worked with older mind mapping software, that is easy to do. It's a great way, instead of doing something like this and then making a PowerPoint to present it or whatever, do it right inside of Mindmeister. On the bottom left hand corner, you see what looks like a screen. I'm going to tap it to set up my presentation. There's a couple of things I can do. I can add scene per scene by using the plus symbol, or you see this hint. You can also command and click and drag to make a new slide as well. That's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to put my cursor at the upper left hand corner of my main idea. I'm going to hold down my command button, and I'm going to click and drag, and you see this new box forming around that, and you see the number 1. That's my first slide. Now the question becomes, what do I want to talk about next, diet or habitat? Why not? Let's start with diet. So command, click and drag. I don't usually work on the PCs, however my complete guess is control, click and drag, and I'm not sure what the solution is on the Mindmeister iPad app. However, there is an iPad app or through the website. And I will continue this shortcut as I select just a couple more. Maybe I will switch on down to habitat and my house, and that's good enough. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 current slides. So now we have 2 different points of view. With the eye selected in the bottom left hand corner, we're in our map options. Basically, we're in editing mode. And then we have our presentation mode, at which point I have the first slide selected. I select Start Slideshow. And there's slide 1 because that's what I had selected. If I would have had a different slide selected, it would have started at a different slide. Forward to the next. If you're familiar with the program Prezi, this is very, very similar. And to the next, and so on and so forth. Let's go back a little bit. I'd like to show you. Here's my dog food, and here's my notes. I can select that, and it will show you the notes. I'll continue to go backward. One more. Hover over to show the notes, or click on the link, and a new tab will open. I'm going to close the slideshow. You have some transition options here in the right hand corner. Quite frankly, I don't notice a whole lot of difference. And also, if you right click on a slide, you can choose a few different things. Again, very basic stuff, but that's really all you need. So here's a quick look at the Mindmeister presentation options. Really nice way to kind of spice up your presentations.